It is Thanksgiving Eve, and I want to know who's feeling the pressure. I just got off work. I got a million things to do. I've got laundry to do. I've got house cleaning to do. I've got to start prepping food, baking. And guys, that's crazy. I've spent all my time at work. I haven't had time to shop. I haven't had time to do the things that I need to do to get ready for tomorrow. And you know what? We've all lived our life like that on repeat. So if you are like me and you work in healthcare exactly like me, I have something for you. I have an amazing income opportunity. It is a business, and I can't say a whole lot about it here on social media yet, but I'm giving you guys the opportunity to send me an email and ask for more information. Right now, I'm blocked here on TikTok. They have me banned from the DMs, and I hope in the next couple weeks I am going to be able to DM. But I've been doing really well just by chatting in the comments. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate. But I'm going to let you know it's time. It's time to take action. It's time to change our life. And this is an amazing opportunity to do that. And I don't want you guys to wait. I want you to email me, and I want you to just get some information about it, okay? There's two parts of this business. You can come in at $25 and you can earn reward bucks. And let me tell you, those reward bucks that you earn can be used inside of a store. Now, are you going to get 100% off of something? Most likely not, unless you catch a flash sale, but you're going to get huge discounts. So if you love saving money, I'm going to drop my email right here on the screen. Email me and I will get you that information. But if you are an entrepreneur like me and you are ready to lock arms and just change your life, this business opportunity is crazy insane. And I'm telling you, it's easier than doing affiliate marketing and digital marketing. So if you're ready to learn, or if you want more information, don't hesitate. Email me and let's chat.